to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Marissa. In today's video, I'm going to declutter and organize a few areas in my home, starting with the boys' bathroom. Their cabinet is a mess. I have things that I don't use for them or they don't need, and I just want to declutter and just to organize a little bit. I'm gonna use things that I have in my home already, like little baskets and stuff like that. I didn't want to spend any money to do that kind of thing, but I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna jump into the kitchen and organize a few drawers. And also the one that I've been dreading the most to declutter and organize is my spice cabinet, because we've been cooking a lot and buying a lot of new sauces and spices and seasonings because we've been getting creative. So I'm gonna attempt to declutter of things we don't need or don't use, which I know it's not gonna be a lot, but I'm gonna attempt to organize as best as I can because it's driving me insane. I can't find anything. My husband, you know, he's tall, so he puts all the good stuff on top, so I have to like climb to get things. So I'm gonna try to put things I really use like where I can reach, and then just leave whatever he uses like on top. So I'm gonna try and attempt to do that. I also wanted to share with you that this video is in collaboration with Chrissy from This Is Chrissy. She is a working mama. She does a lot of cleaning motivation, organization, hauls, deep cleaning, all that good lifestyle stuff, you guys. So if you like stuff like that, I'm sure you're gonna love her channel. So please go ahead and go show her some love after you watch my video. Let her know I sent you. And before we get started, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like this video. It really helps on my channel, you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
If I'm in the dark, I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leave in this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts.
Like I mentioned earlier, I'm starting in the boys' bathroom. There's things down there that they no longer need or not using, and I just want to organize it.
Of emotions, sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leave in this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. Oh yeah.
So here's a quick before shot of how it looked before I organized it, and then the final product. I'm very happy the way it turned out. It looks less decluttered and more organized. And now let's move on to the kitchen.
Down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time.
So I'm gonna start by organizing this bottom drawer in my kitchen. It drives me insane every time I open it. That's where we keep our foil, our Ziploc bags, our plastic wraps, and all that good stuff. We also keep our plasticware, our straws, and some plastic bags for our trash cans. So I'm hoping I can get it all cleared up and organized, because as you can see, it's quite a mess.
Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No.
So moving on to another space that I want to declutter and organize. This drawer is where I keep the baby's bottles and my microfiber cloths and dish towels. And I just want to declutter and organize it a little better because it was getting kind of crowded in there and just messy. So I just wanted to make it look a little more pleasing. So here I'm trying to fold the microfiber cloths KonMari style. You'll see that I'm doing something completely different at the end, but I think that's gonna work much better than the system I had.
Oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you.
As you can see, I'm trying to figure out what's gonna work best. I also want to incorporate and have his plates and bowls in there just so he can reach whenever it's snack time. And I really, really liked how it turned out.
Just say the word and we can.
Now moving on to the place I've been dreading the most to declutter and organize, our spice cabinet. As you can see, it's overflowing. There's things on the countertop that my husband just bought, and it's just driving me insane. So I'm going to try and declutter as much as I can and organize the best way possible so things are accessible. And yeah, so let's get to it.
Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh!
look at this, you guys. Isn't this crazy? Do any of you have as many seasonings and sauces as we do? Because these are a lot. So now to the good part. I'm going to try and clean this nasty cabinet, you guys. I don't know what that was. It was paint or something because I thought it was pepper, but it wasn't. It was some kind of stain. I don't know what it was, but my rag was dirty after that.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here.
And now I'm going to wash the little baskets that had all the seasonings on. This is where I'm going to organize the spices we use the most, just to have them accessible in the bottom cabinet and so I can reach, because, you know, I gotta reach. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll move on to the rest of the organizing.
Love, they're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
So in this basket, I'm gonna organize all the little boxes we have of seasonings. I just don't like having the packets loose. I know it saves space, but I prefer it a lot more this way, and that's where I'm gonna keep all of that and then have it accessible in the bottom cabinet.
Don't be shy, cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first.
So in this basket, I'm organizing the seasonings that we use for baking, and also the ones that we use, you know, rarely for a few dishes here and there, and just the ones that we don't use every day.
Say I'm nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. They're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
So now I'm organizing my baskets. Like I said, I'm gonna put all the ones that we use on a regular basis or just for baking and things like that in the bottom cabinet, just so it's easier for me to reach. That way I don't have to climb anywhere to get anything. In the second cabinet, I'm putting all the bigger bottles, like the big pepper container, the chicken bouillon and all that good stuff, just because they're easy to see and I know what I have. And then towards the left, I'm going to put all the sauces per my husband's request. He wanted all his Asian sauces that we've recently bought in the left, just so they're all together, which was my plan anyway. So that's what I'm going to do.
It's because there's something in the air, and I don't.
So I kept saying bottom cabinet, middle cabinet, but it's shelves, right? Shelves, Marissa, shelves.
Losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when
So moving on to the third cabinet, that's where I'm going to put all the big bottles like of apple cider vinegar that we rarely use, all the big chile bags that we buy, and all the spices that come in little bags are in that basket. I'm gonna put all the extra or the duplicates of seasonings that we have, just so we know that they're in that certain cabinet, and I'm not, looking for one and not realizing I have tons of them. So I'm doing that. And then in the middle, I'm gonna organize all the salsas that I like with my food. And then you'll see there that all those bottles are for my husband's grilling. He loves to grill, you guys, and he has all kinds of spices and gadgets and things to grill, which I'm like super happy that he loves to do that, because everything that he makes is delicious. But anywho, that's what I'm doing. I'm organizing all his rubs and stuff.
It just stays the same. Where do we go from here when everything is said and done?
So we're almost done organizing, guys, and I'm really liking how it's turning out. If you're coming from Chrissy's channel, I want to welcome you. Like I said, my name's Marissa. I'm a stay-at-home mama of 2 boys. And I just love being a mommy, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and consider subscribing. I do tons of cleaning motivation, organization videos, lifestyle content. And yeah, so if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe. And if you're an oldie but goodie, don't forget to visit Chrissy's channel. I'm sure you'll love her channel, you guys. Don't forget to tell her I sent you. And stay blessed. Stay healthy, stay home, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.